What is up, Sideways fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm at home. I got my Challenger right here. I have a AC blend door motor problem. We're going to go ahead and fix it today. I got the part right here. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. Let me show you what's up. So mind you, I kind of started already a little bit on this, so I'm not going to bore you with pulling the panel off, but basically what's happening is this. I can actually go ahead and show you real quick. So ignition comes on. I go ahead and put my blower on. Cool, no big deal. When I go to hot, no big deal, but we go back to cold. Wait for it. Let's go ahead and start the car actually. Put the AC on real quick, my bad. Go to cold and it never goes to cold, and the blend never, there you go. Finally, there you go, there's your noise. So what's happening is our little plastic motor that we have in here is not working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this box real quick, give me 1 second. Anyways, got our little, plastic special motor that is gonna get actuated by electronic to go ahead and have that arm be able to move to turn it from hot to cold. So we're getting hot air. Originally it was coming out only one side. I don't know how that all happened, but we're gonna try to diagnose it. So let me go ahead, we're gonna pull this panel off, try to get in here and see if we can see it on camera. So 1 second, I'm going to turn the car off. All right, give me a second. Anyways, it's just clips. You'll go ahead and pull this off, unplug your button. There's a little bit of carpet underneath here that I went ahead and removed already. So let me go ahead and pull these bolts out real quick. I don't want to bore you with getting my little hand tools. I don't have an impact on me at home. So 1 second, please. Alrighty, so panel's off. Just a couple 10 bolts. We can see one right here. Now, I don't think this bar comes out. It looks like it's part of the dash, so that kind of sucks. The other one is up there, and this one's right here. So what we're gonna do is figure out which one is not working. So what we're gonna go back into, let's go ahead and get the ignition back on. Should be able to see. Definitely heater lines, the thing's pretty fucking hot. Definitely hear it making noise. Once again, not trying to burn the crap out of myself. Anyways, it does feel like it's the one back there. Now, I am a little worried because I don't know how I'm gonna get that out or how we're gonna get to it, but let's see if we can figure out what size bolts they are. First of all, I believe my toolkit does have it. 1 second. All right, so trying to see if I can get this in here. So I can just leave this in here and let's see what's going on. Basically, I'm gonna have to get in there and get that off. I have my ratchet with, I think it's a T20. So let me see if I put it like this, you'll be able to see. I don't know. Obviously, I gotta get in here as well, which is kind of a little tight. And once again, the heater lines are already super freaking hot. So that kind of sucks. Not enough room like this. I wonder if an extension is gonna make it too long. I would almost guess it probably would. Drop this out of the car real quick. Over here. See if I can get my big head in here. All right, so that's gonna be almost damn near impossible. Okay, this one, I'm able to get something on this one. I'm hoping. If I was to guess, I'm gonna say that is one of the bolts right there. The one that's over here on the heater line is gonna be a bitch to get. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna get this one out first. Let me get the thing off real quick. Mind you, I don't know how I'm gonna hold this and do this at the same time, but I guess I'm hoping that I can just leave this like this, and you guys can kind of see. A swivel would have been amazing for this, to be honest, but beggars can't be choosers, and I am at home, so let's see. Oh. Watch me end up losing this crap. Oh god. Okay. Alright, got one out. Bolt there. Can I get this at an angle with like this? Oh, maybe. Interesting. Kind of if it was a swivel one, that would have been great too, but let's see. Oh. Okay, alright. We got the other one. Ow, super hot. Should have probably waited for the car to be cool to do this. But, I mean, it's not working anyways, so screw it. Drop that on my face. Ow, hot as hell. Ew. And then where's that third one? I can't really see. Ow. Ooh, probably shouldn't have worn a cutoff tee either. Ow, that kind of hurt. All right. Am I even taking the right thing off? Oh. I don't know. All right, well, another problem I'm having is apparently in here there is a, let me get my other hand in here. There is a keyway in this. Maybe I'm tripping or I'm just stupid, but when you spin it, it's supposed to have one that it's like this all, they're all there. It's kind of weird, but basically on this thing over here we have two missing. So it's kind of weird. It's supposed to only go in one way. But the position of these is different. So I'm having problems getting them bolted in because this one seems to be, I don't know why the light keeps adjusting on this thing, but it seems to be like this. And this one we got pointed at like some different thing. So interesting. I don't know. Got to figure this out because bowl holes are the same. It should plug, it plugs in, it doesn't line up, and it doesn't work. So trying to fix it, this is a pain in the ass. It kind of sucks. If it had been the one right here, no problem. But the one back there, this sucks. So I'm gonna keep fighting it. It's been like probably an hour now. Kind of sucks. So I don't know, let's go. All right, well, I got a flathead in here and I got 2 of the 3 bolts in. I'm gonna have to find the other one that I dropped, but I'm gonna try to at least test it and hope that I'm gonna have like functional stuff. But I mean, you can see how we just have like no freaking room to just do any of this. So I'm gonna get a ratchet in here, finish tightening this down. I should be able to do this shit with my freaking hands, but anyways, we're going still, laying on the floor. Frustrated. All right, let me start this thing real quick. Give me 1 second. Where the hell's my key? All right. Now we should be able to see this little black thing right, where am I? Right there. That one right there should move now. So what we're gonna do, let's see what's going on. Still don't feel the AC kicking on. Let's go the other way. There's the heat. see it move. Let's double check and see what happens. I'd be so happy if my damn AC works in my car now, bro. Okay, I hear the compressor turn on. Shit still feels warm. What's going on? Oh. Is it going? Oh, it might be going. Very slowly. All right, well, I did have to cycle this a few times. I don't know why, but it is working now. So, pain in the freaking ass. I'm not really sure how I got this thing to go in, but you can definitely hear this one's messed up. Not a lot of fun, but you can do it yourself with just a little basic hand tool set that I had at home. So anyways, let's put it back together. Let's go enjoy driving this car and have a nice day, go down to the beach or something. Let's do it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, dude, fuck domestic cars and the bullshit you have to do it. I mean, I guess it wasn't as bad as some of the other stuff I have to deal with, but all in all, car's back and working, so I'm happy. Summer's almost here, winter's over, you know, hell yeah. But you just want to know how to do it, there you go. Next time, guys, appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.